No, AI is not magic, and no, AI is not taking your job. So you have to land somewhere in between that and really look at AI as a tool. I think it comes back to the things we were talking about earlier, right? Having the right expectation. No, AI is not magic, and no, AI is not taking your job. So you have to land somewhere in between that and really look at AI as a tool. This, to me, is not even tied to the size of your team. It's just a mindset that you have to come and show up with, because that's how it will really, really benefit you. When you think about teams that are enterprise level and you have high volume, I think things to consider and be careful about is just preemptively know as much as possible, right? What all is happening in the environment that you're going to deploy these products in, right? Just so that way it's easy to isolate any potential unexpected behaviors to say, hey, is this tied to something that we are doing with this tool specific, or is this really tied to something completely independent, but the symptoms seem to show up together to say, hey, I don't know how to distinguish that. Right? So I think being able to make sure you have all of the tools, whether it's logistics to know the schedule or just keep it in a controlled state to know, hey, what all is happening. The other aspect of it is, and this is more of a tester's intuition, is when you are initially getting comfortable or learning a new tool, come with an open mind, but then go through it step by step in your traditional detailed analysis mode. Focus on, hey, how and what am I doing? And when I have those actions done, how does it translate? Come and align those preemptively. Don't go in there with a mindset of like, hey, this is going to be magic and it's going to do everything for me. And then when it doesn't do it, you sort of backtrack and say, oh, it's not meeting my expectation. I would say flip it around and say, at a minimum, these are the 5 things that maybe you need to your team or your enterprise that I needed to validate. Preemptively set that up as your success criteria and then work with the team to say, hey, how many of those can be achieved with what level of effort? And once you have that balance, you then truly do a unbiased ROI calculation to say, hey, is this really what we are looking for? To be honest, there are teams that may not be ready for it. There may be environments that may not be ready for it. What I'm excited about is I'm hoping that when I look at TrueTest, it is something that I feel is a true supplement to your capacity and not a replacement. So irrespective of challenges that you face anyway, I don't think they are magnified or amplified when you actually have this tool. It actually has the opposite effect to say, hey, I have more capacity, so I can actually get more done now. Right? So I think that is at least some of the core things I will keep in mind.